Go.
Okay, halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Buronyo, long Mr. Samsunti. Long ucapkan terima kasih kepada rakan-rakan Mandum yang kali subscribe. Nyo lebih kurang karena 2,000 lebih. Jadi untuk tanda terima kasih, buronyo rencana long yu paju. Long nak kerjain Mr. Samsunti depa Capli. Capli ubud. Nyo yang paling keung, nyo keung dah yo. Ya, nyo tak keung dan nak tahu empat ban. Jadi today, Mr. Samsunti, I'm going to say in English today. The reason we are here today, just to say to our subscriber over 2,000 to say thank you. But I want, on top of those, I want you to try. This we call tahu isi, right? Like tofu. Inside of this is a vegetarian. Tahu isi, vegetarian. This is chili. It's not that spicy.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I think you can handle it.
What's the difference, the red one and then the green?
This is a little bit more spicy.
Okay.
I think you're gonna be okay. And nyo capli ubud, kilo kenole capli ubud. Yang capli
From Aceh?
Yeah, from Aceh. Okay, yang original berarti. You know, I think dia ipajoh capli tayum lagu bah Mr. Samsunti. After you eat this chili,
Okay.
I want you to sing lagu Bunga Jumpa yang untuk ucapan terima kasih ke rakan-rakan yang kalian subscribe. Bagi yang belum subscribe, mungkin manfaat channel kamu, tolong subscribe and share. Okay, you can try
We're
now.
gonna sing together, okay?
Yeah, okay. Okay, try it please. Try it. You want me?
Oh, I need to try this and then after this?
Either way, you want to try, I can try first, and then we sing. Look, you want me to try first?
Okay.
Okay, I try.
I try this red one, okay?
Yeah.
The whole thing?
No, half first. You can try this one first, and then this one.
The small one? Okay.
Wow. Ini tahu isi. That's okay. Not yet. Try the red one. Yeah. Half. Yeah? Yeah? Oh, you should try eat this. I think that's okay. Sorry, Roland. I'm sorry. Here is water. No, you eat this. Eat this. Eat. Eat.
What is this?
Vegetarian. Eat.
No fish?
No seafood. Ini alergi ke engkau, seafood. Nyo berat kat telurnya. Nyo kena tahu yang gerahnya. Okay, let's sing lagu Bunga Jumpa. Don't cry. Back click. Oh. You're gonna be okay, buddy. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Bring. Good. Okay, let's sing. Okay.
I cannot feel the...
subscribe. Nyo untuk leke tengok ada 10 mutar apa ke. Nyo untuk 2K. Bronyan paju dapat untuk sabah okey, nyo 2K paju japli untuk leke lah tu. Subscribe. Oh, you cry. Look at his eye. I think he cried. Hey, I'm sorry, okay? You're gonna be okay. Jangan cium Mr. Hasan Sunti. Anak tiga orang yang Rusia Timur. Okay, let's sing. Okay, we start. Okay. Li paju caplim lagu, berarti kan doa kedron kiban. Kan doa kedron kiban perasaan. Okay, let's sing.
Wah, banyak.
Sorry man.
Punggung jempa dekat di Aceh. Punggung terlebat indah lagu ina.
One more time.
Punggung jempa dekat di Aceh. Punggung terlebat indah lagu ina.
Okay, thank you. Terima kasih yang kalian nonton videonya. Baik boleh subscribe nyo betul betul. He's already crying. Mr. Hasan Sunti already crying. Kak pedih dah lidah. Baik coba subscribe. Say something.
I cannot say.
Oh, okay. Okay, Kak Jibnan. Assalamualaikum. Terima kasih.